Story Nest.
Bella the bear, with her fur the color of warm honey, stood at the edge of a shimmering grassy field. Beside her, Danny the dolphin hovered in mid-air, his sleek gray body shimmering with droplets of light. Before them cascaded a waterfall, not of water but of pure, vibrant rainbows, each arc pulsing with a gentle energy. Today was a special day in the land of dreams. They were on a quest to gather the most precious treasures of all laughter and joy. With a shared glance of excitement, Bella and Danny leaped through the cascading rainbows. The colors swirled around them, tickling their senses and filling them with a bubbly feeling. As they passed through the shimmering veil, tiny, sparkling orbs of light brushed against them. Bella giggled, a warm, rumbling sound, and instantly, one of the light orbs glowed brighter, pulsating with a soft, golden hue. A droplet of laughter captured. Danny, with a joyful flip of his tail, sent a spray of rainbow droplets into the air. The droplets danced and twirled, catching the light and creating miniature rainbows of their own. He let out a series of happy clicks and whistles, and just like Bella's giggle, each sound transformed into a radiant orb, shimmering with a bright, sunny yellow, pure droplets of joy. They continued their journey through the land of dreams, exploring fields of candy floss clouds and mountains made of giggling jelly. Bella chased butterflies with wings of spun sugar, her happy exclamations turning into more golden orbs. Danny swam through rivers of sparkling lemonade, his playful splashes creating showers of yellow joy. They collected laughter from the chattering flowers and joy from the singing stones, their collection of glowing orbs growing with every shared moment of happiness. Finally, their pouches overflowing with shimmering golden and sunny yellow orbs, Bella and Danny returned to the rainbow waterfall. They splashed through the vibrant cascade once more, the collected laughter and joy swirling around them like a magical aura. They had filled their hearts and their pouches with the most wonderful treasures of the land of dreams, ready to share them and spread happiness wherever they went.